Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you to all that subscribed, and if you aren't subscribed yet, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button below. Today's video is going to be a nice fall look. I feel like that I really don't have many fall looks, so I thought, hey, maybe I should actually record one. So let's get started. And yeah, so in the fall we tend to become more dry. Our skin's changing from summer to fall, so the environment around us is changing, and when that happens we definitely have to change our primers. So I'm going to start off with the Hangover RX. It is their replenishing face primer. It is infused with coconut water, which I really do like because I need the hydration. And next we are going to do eyebrows. So first we're going to start off with eyebrows. I'm going to use my brow wiz to lightly fill them in. Next, I'm going to use my Dip Brow by Anastasia, and I'm just going to use this to kind of smooth the hairs down and fill them in. So next I'm going to use my NARS concealer in Amande, and I'm just going to use this to outline my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Brow Tamer to lay down any hairs that may be sticking up. This gives it a smoother look. So now that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to actually start on the eye look. I am going to start with my Prep and Prime 24-Hour Extended Eye Base by MAC. And I'm just going to use a little bit and spread that onto the eyelids. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are done, we are going to start on the eye look using the Glamour Up Cosmetic Femme de la Chic palette. It's so cute. Okay, this is my first time trying this and I am so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this first color. Okay, so we're gonna start with the eye look. So I'm gonna start off with this brown color right here. I'm not gonna use too much of it, and I'm going to put that on my entire eyelid. Ooh, it's more red than I thought. So this is the first. Now I'm going to go in with this maroon color next to it. And I'm putting this color right in the... Next, I'm going to take this middle glittery color. It's like golden. And I'm going to put that on my lower lid. Next, I'm going to take my Tartiest eyeliner and just line my eyes. So because it is fall and again it is getting cold, I am going to use my MAC Nourishing Waterproof Foundation, and this is in the color NC50, and it is in a little sample because you know anybody got time to keep buying it. Okay. I'm going to apply this with my Pro Mini Airbrush Foundation brush by Sephora, and again I'm only using a little bit, and I'm just going to apply and blend. Little tip, if you have a nose ring and you're applying makeup, just alright, looking real flawless, looking real bright and beautiful. I'm just gonna fix this little corner over here. Next, I'm using MAC's new 24-hour concealer, and I am really excited about this concealer because it is so good, and I want you all to see how good it is. They came up with like a ton of colors in this concealer. First off, like their other concealer, I literally could not find a shade for me. Like NC45 looked like white, I don't know, but this one looks so much better. So this is the color NC45, and it's just like and I'm applying under my eye because I have some irritation going on, so I don't want to make it worse by applying makeup directly on it, but it will blend on top. And now I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just blend all of this out. Okay, so concealer blended and cute. So next I am going to apply my flower powder by Beautybysheek. It's pretty much the setting powder that they have in the color yellow. So while this is setting and baking, I will be right back. And then we're gonna just bronze all this up and make it look nice and right and shiny and okay. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, next I am going to add my Bobbi Brown bronzer. I low-key already added it, but I don't think, but I did add my bronzer on to kind of deepen that contour. Give me some color back. And I don't want to use too much because I don't want to look all red, okay? Next, I'm going to use the star of the night, which is my MAC highlighter. This is their Iridescent Loose Highlighter. And I'm excited about this highlighter because it just goes, you know? Like, it's just that highlighter. It just makes you look alive, you know. That's what we're going for. We're going for that new dewy alive look, okay? I'm just gonna finish up this eye look and add in my lip, and then I will be right back, and then I'll kind of tell you how I really like this look. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Like, I'm back. Like, hello, how are you doing? And just for anyone that's curious about this lip, my liner is the Suede NYX Mason pencil. And then I have on the Try Again matte lipstick from the Aaliyah collection. And I really like the look. Like, I feel like I need to go somewhere. I feel like I say that every video. But overall, I really like this look. All the products that I use were either repetitive products or products that I've never used before, hence why I use the MAC 24-hour concealer. As you can see, I really like this look. My skin just looks flawless, even though I'm having some trouble going on right now. I don't feel dry at all. I definitely think the color is like amazing. Again, they have so many colors now, everyone can wear it. Yeah, so let me know if y'all want to look on this hairstyle too, because this was a quick 1-2 BM, okay? And I don't look like a 1-2 BM. But anyway, I want to thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you think this is a good fall look, put a thumbs up. Let's put a thumbs up. If you don't think it's a good fall look, still put a thumbs up and put a comment on why, because thumbs up's for the effort, okay? Anyway, I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye.